You understand English. You can read it. You can even write it. But the moment you try to speak, something strange happens. Your mind freezes, your confidence drops, and you start translating every single word from your native language. By the time you form a sentence, the moment is already gone. This is not a vocabulary problem. This is not a grammar problem. This is a thinking problem. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English, instantly and naturally. And the good news is, this is a skill you can train. In this video, I will show you exactly how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English like a fluent speaker. Most learners believe they are bad at speaking English, but that is not the real issue. The real problem is happening inside your mind before you even speak. Right now, your brain follows a slow process. First, you create a sentence in your native language. Then you translate it into English. Then you check if it is correct. And only after all that, you try to speak. This entire process creates hesitation, confusion, and lack of confidence. If you want to speak smoothly, you must remove this extra step completely. Now, let me tell you how to train your brain to think directly in English so your words come out faster, clearer, and more naturally. Why you can't think in English? The biggest reason you struggle to think in English is habit. Since childhood, your brain has been trained to think in your native language. Every thought, every reaction, every idea is naturally formed there. So, when you suddenly try to speak in English, your brain does what it has always done. It creates the thought in your native language first and then tries to convert it. This conversion process is what slows you down. Your brain is not designed to work like a translator while speaking in real time. Speaking requires speed and flow, but translation creates delay. That is why even if you know the words, you still feel stuck when speaking. Another major reason is the pressure to be perfect. Many learners try to create the perfect sentence in their mind before they speak. They think about grammar, sentence structure, and correctness all at once. These overthinking forces your brain to go back to your native language, because that is where you feel more control and accuracy. There is also a learning mistake that most people make. They study English like a subject instead of using it like a language. They memorize rules, practice exercises, and focus on correctness, but they rarely train their brain to think in English. Knowing English and using English are two completely different skills. On top of that, limited exposure plays a big role. If you are not regularly listening to or surrounding yourself with English, your brain does not get enough input to start thinking in it. Your brain always chooses what feels familiar, and right now, your native language feels more natural because you use it more often. The important thing to understand is that this is not your fault. Your brain is simply following the patterns it has learned over time. But the good news is that patterns can be changed. With the right practice, you can train your brain to skip translation completely and start thinking directly in English. And once that shift happens, speaking becomes faster, easier, and far more natural. How to start thinking in English? Step by step. The first step is to stop forcing full sentences. Most learners make the mistake of trying to think in perfect, long sentences right from the beginning. That creates pressure and brings translation back. Instead, start small. Begin with single words and simple thoughts. Look at an object around you and name it in English. Think chair, phone, window. This trains your brain to connect directly with English without using your native language. Once you are comfortable with single words, move to short and simple phrases. For example, instead of thinking long sentences, think in small chunks like, I am tired, this is nice, I need water. These are quick thoughts, and they reduce the need to translate. Your goal here is speed and comfort, not perfection. The next step is to describe your surroundings in English. Wherever you are, start observing things and think about them in English. You can think, the room is quiet. It is very hot today. I am sitting on a chair. This builds a natural thinking habit because you are connecting real-life situations with English. Another powerful method is self-talk. Start talking to yourself in English inside your mind. For example, when you wake up, think, I need to get up now. I will brush my teeth. I have work to do today. This may feel strange at first, but it is one of the fastest ways to train your brain. You are creating real conversations without pressure. You should also reduce your dependence on translation while learning new words. When you learn a new word, try to understand it directly in English instead of converting it into your native language. For example, connect the word with an image, a situation, or a feeling. This makes your brain store the word in English itself. Consistency is the most important part of this process. You do not need hours of practice. Even 5 to 10 minutes of conscious thinking in English every day can create a big change over time. The more you repeat this, the more natural it becomes. At first, it will feel slow and uncomfortable. You may struggle to find words or form thoughts. That is completely normal. This is your brain learning a new pattern. With regular practice, the effort reduces, and thinking in English starts to feel automatic. And once your thinking changes, your speaking will start improving without forcing it. How to make it automatic and more natural? At this stage, your goal is not just to think in English, but to make it happen without effort. The key to this is repetition in real situations. You need to bring English into your daily life instead of treating it like practice time. The more your brain experiences English in normal moments, the faster it accepts it as natural. Start reacting in English instantly. When something happens, do not give your brain time to translate. If you feel happy, think, that's great. If something goes wrong, think, this is annoying. These quick reactions train your brain to respond directly in English without delay. Another powerful shift is to stop chasing perfect grammar while thinking. Fluency grows from speed and clarity, not perfection. If your thought is slightly incorrect, it is still progress. What matters is that you are thinking directly in English and not switching back to your native language. You should also surround yourself with simple English input every day. Listen to conversations, watch videos, or read easy content. This gives your brain ready-made patterns, so you do not have to build sentences from scratch every time. The more input you get, the faster your thinking improves. At first, you will notice effort. Then you will notice speed. And finally, you will notice that you are thinking in English without even realizing it. That is the moment your fluency truly begins. Common mistakes that stop you from thinking in English. One of the biggest mistakes is going back to your native language when things feel difficult. The moment you struggle to find a word, your brain tries to switch back because it feels easier. But every time you do this, you break the new habit you are trying to build. Instead of switching, Stay with English and try to express the idea in a simpler way. Another mistake is trying to use complex vocabulary all the time. Many learners believe that using advanced words makes them sound fluent, but it actually slows down thinking. Simple words help you think faster and speak more naturally. Fluency is about clarity and speed, not showing off difficult vocabulary. Many people also practice only when they feel motivated. They try thinking in English for one day and then stop for several days. This inconsistency resets your progress again and again. Your brain needs daily repetition to build a strong habit, even if the practice time is short. Overcorrecting yourself is another hidden problem. When you keep stopping to fix every small mistake in your mind, you interrupt your flow. This brings back hesitation and translation. It is better to continue your thought and focus on improvement later, rather than stopping in the middle. Finally, a lot of learners expect fast results. They try for a few days and feel nothing is changing. But thinking in English is a skill that develops gradually. At first, it feels uncomfortable, then it becomes easier, and eventually it becomes automatic. If you avoid these mistakes and stay consistent, your brain will slowly stop translating and start thinking directly in English without effort. Now you understand the real secret. Fluency is not about knowing more words or memorizing more rules. It is about changing the way you think. The moment you stop translating and start thinking directly in English, everything begins to change. Your speaking becomes faster, your confidence grows, and your sentences start to flow naturally without effort. So, from today, do not wait for the perfect time or perfect knowledge. Start small. Think in simple words, use short phrases, and stay consistent every single day. That is how fluency is built. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.